Hello, my name is Rakesh Rao from Coordinate Systems Bangalore, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can assign linearly interpolated 3D elevations along a 3D polyline. To begin with, I have a 2D polyline here and I have created some text which shows the known elevations at these points along the polyline. The first step is I'm going to convert this 2D polyline into a 3D polyline by using change 2D to 3D. I select this polyline. Okay, so one polyline processed. So internally GeoTools has changed this polyline from 2D to 3D. So now I can assign elevations to the vertices. Next I'm going to use a command called ExpressPedit, and using ExpressPedit I'm going to select those vertices where I know the elevation and I'm going to assign the elevations. For example, this vertex I know the elevation is 10, so I'm going to type Z and enter 10 as elevation, and over here I don't know the elevation. The next is this one, 56.4, and then I come here 33.6, and then finally the last one is 19.4. So using ExpressPedit I have been able to easily assign known Z elevations along this polyline. So if you list this polyline now, you can see that at some places the elevations are whatever elevation was entered has been already recorded. Now in linear interpolation I would like to know the elevations along this polyline based on the known elevations between 2 points. So I'm going to start this command, which is called polyline process assign interpolated Z vertices. You can create an interpolation output file, which is basically a listing of all the old coordinates and the new coordinates, and I've set the file as coords.sys. Now I'm going to select this polyline and say apply. So it's done it. You can see here for the polyline it lists the vertices, it lists the old elevation, the new elevation, and whether there was a change or no change. So the program works between two non-zero elevations, and all the elevations in between are linearly interpolated. So that's why you have meaningful elevations assigned along the polyline. This is quite useful in many surveying and road design and sewerage and such applications where you want to assign the elevations on a linear interpolation basis. This command is available in the ribbon as well. If you go to the polyline ribbon, you can see 2D to 3D is here, including 3D to 2D as well, and then over here you have the ExpressPedit, which I use to create assign elevations, and then you have the interpolation tool as well here. So all the tools are accessible from the pull down menu as well as the ribbon and the toolbars, and as you all know, they can also be accessed from the command line. For example, gt_pl_inter will run the command that you saw just now. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you have any questions, please do feel free to get back to me. Thank you.